In tonight with the latest on the public corruption case involving an Omaha City Council member and two retired Omaha police officers.
6 News has learned the defendants are being split up and moved to other county jails. Brian Mastery is live in the newsroom to explain if this is unusual. Brian.
Lauren, I'm told it's not unusual by those at the U.S. Marshal's office. Here's how it works. The U.S. Marshal has contracts with hundreds of county jails to house defendants awaiting trial. Here in Nebraska, U.S. Marshal has 400 prisoners under its supervision, including these 4 men. For the last 10 days, Omaha Councilman Vinny Palermo, retired Omaha police officers Richie Gonzalez and Johnny Palermo, and chief fundraiser for the Latino Peace Officers Association, Jack Olson, have been held in Wahoo at the Saunders County Jail. On Friday, the judge ordered all 4 of them to remain in custody until trial, which will be for months. Today, I'm hearing from their attorneys wondering why the U.S. Marshal is moving their clients. Retired Captain Richie Gonzalez has been moved to Wilbur, Nebraska, and the Saline County Jail. Wilbur is an hour and a half from Douglas County Courthouse, so a longer drive than Wahoo. Retired Detective Johnny Palermo has been moved to Plattsmouth in the Cass County Jail. Plattsmouth, about a 25-minute drive from the Douglas County Courthouse, so it is closer than Wahoo. Vinny Palermo's attorney says he's expecting his client to be moved to Grand Island or maybe even Lexington, which are 2 and 3 hours from the metro respectively. Randy Paragas tells me the move would seriously hamper him talking to his client and going over evidence to prepare for the conspiracy and fraud trial. It seems likely he'll ask the federal judge to reconsider detention until trial. U.S. Marshal officials here tell me it's not abnormal to move prisoners around since there's a constant influx of defendants coming in and simply limited space in county jails. Okay, that brings us to another matter on the City Council agenda tomorrow. Council will hold a hearing tomorrow afternoon whether to permanently strip Vinny Palermo of his duties as vice president. He was temporarily stripped of that last week. His attorney tells me he talked with Vinny Palermo this weekend about this, as well as the recall petition and calls for his resignation. Bottom line here, Vinny Palermo doesn't plan to concede anything at this stage and will exercise his legal rights. His attorney will not be taking part in tomorrow's hearing. So much of what happens next, John and Lauren, depends on whether Palermo remains in custody. If so, he'd automatically lose his city council seat in 3 months because of those unexcused absences. On your side in the newsroom, Brian Mastery, 6 News.